How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. Today we're here with MarineMax Venice. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this 320 Vantage Boston whaler that we have in stock at our location right now. Come aboard, take a look with me. So right here in the back of the boat, you'll notice that this one is equipped with twin Mercury 300s in black. You do have the full transom bench seat right across the back of the boat, perfect for great seating. Coming forward over on this side, it's set up a little different. You're going to have the standard live wells going to be located right here, storage, and you're going to have some fresh water over here. Below you do have additional storage, great spot for a 5-gallon bucket, tote, bag, purse, anything like that. Right here are going to be your switches operating the live well. Coming up on this boat, this one is pretty unique. This is a 2022 model, and this is one of the last ones that you are allowed to get without electronics. If you order one right now from the factory, you have to go with the factory option, which is going to be Simrad. On this one, it is a blank canvas. You can put anything you want, Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad, whatever your choice. Here at MarineMax, we can install it. This one is already equipped with joystick, however, so you've already got that taken care of. Over here on the front port side, you are going to have a nice cabin. It's a small area, not going to spend a lot of time down there, but you've got plenty of room to sit, get out of the sun, cool off for a little bit, or if you need to, you can drop that down and take a nap in there. Over on the other side, this one does have a head, nice large area, big opening. You can comfortably sit down there and do your business. Coming through the nice walkthrough, you got a nice windshield that closes off. You do have the door dam, so if you want to close off the wind, but all the way in the front, you've got a large area. Over here on this side, you got a double wide seat. This one's going to be a single drop-down armrests on both sides. Up in the front, you do have your windlass completely concealed. Also, you're going to have a nice little freshwater shower right here, concealed in the front. To learn more about this boat, you can come visit me at MarineMax Venice. My name is Mike Ulrich. This boat is located right inside our showroom right now. It's in the air conditioning. Come in, get out of the sun, spend some time with me, and maybe take home a new boat.